Okay, so we're continuing with our OSP format for oral medicine. In this video, we're going to be discussing particularly the topic of mucocutaneous disease and connective tissue diseases, right? So इसके अंदर we have station 1. Obviously, a 52-year-old woman presents with a 6 months history of burning sensation in her mouth, particularly while eating spicy food. On examination, bilateral white lesions are present on the buccal mucosa. The lesions have a characteristic fine lace-like appearance. There are also areas of erythema and superficial ulceration. So this is our case. This was a female 52-year-old woman who presented with a 6 months history of burning of the mouth, and when we examined the oral cavity, we found that bilaterally the buccal mucosa had these white striations or lace-like patterns, right? तो उन्होंने पूछा है कि what is the most likely diagnosis. So this is going to be your oral lichen planus. Based upon the history of bilateral buccal mucosa involvement, white lace-like appearance and burning sensation, and based upon this clinical picture we're able to diagnose this condition, right? उसके बाद उन्हें पूछा है कि characteristic clinical types and appearance of this condition क्या हो सकती हैं. तो इसके अंदर सिंपली आपने जो oral lichen planus है उसकी types बता देनी है. We have reticular, right? Reticular, papular, confluent plaque-like, right? उसके बाद we have atrophic, erosive, which is also known as ulcerative, atrophic, erosive, ulcerative, and then we have bullous and desquamative gingivitis. Right? What is the name given to the first white lines seen in the lesions? So they are known as the Wickham's striae or stria, right? Differential diagnosis of this condition. अब इसके लिए डिफरेंशियल डायग्नोसिस हमारा क्या हो सकता है. बायलेटरली रेटिकुलर अपीयरेंस है, लाइकन प्लानस, कुड बी ल्यूकोप्लेकियाज, राइट? वाइट लेस लाइक अपीयरेंस ल्यूकोप्लेकिया में भी होती है, राइट? सो इट कुड बी ल्यूकोप्लेकिया. You can consider it as your candidiasis as well. और इसके अलावा there could be other possible diagnoses. These two are probably the ones that I can think of right now. उसके अलावा what else causes these white striations? Not really erythroplakia, they're red lesions. Lichen planus hota hai. Oh, it could be, okay, I just realized, my mind just clicked. It could be leukoedema, right? In oral pathology, we've done leukoedema. It could be white sponge nevus as well. So these can be included in the DDs as well, right? What investigation can be performed to confirm the diagnosis? That would be a biopsy. You could go for direct immunofluorescence as well, जहाँ पे shaggy zone of fibrinogen is deposited in the basement membrane zone. Biopsy करेंगे, क्या features नज़र आएंगे, we'll talk about them in detail, and direct immunofluorescence पे क्या आएंगे. But अभी तक OSP के लिहाज से you just need to know कि biopsy is the investigation to confirm the diagnosis. Possible treatment options, the entire table in your book: antiseptics, analgesics, antifungals, topical steroids, and then we have systemic immunomodulators and others. ठीक है. Antiseptics में आप क्या देंगे? Chlorhexidine, gluconate, 2% mouthwash दे देंगे, right? Analgesics में benzidamide hydrochloride, which is by the name of Diflam, mouthwash, and then lignocaine rinse दे सकते हैं, right? Anesthetic है Antifungal में we can give meconazole gel, we can give meconazole gel दे सकते हैं antifungal option में. Nystatin pastiles दे सकते हैं. We can give fluconazole, which is a systemic tablet की form में. And then amphotericin lozenges as well, right? Topical corticosteroids में बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. Beclomethasone, triamcinolone, acetamide, hydrocortisone, hemisuccinates दे सकते हैं. 2.5 milligram की pellets होती हैं. And then systemic immunomodulators के अंदर we have different types: azathioprine, cyclosporin, cyclophosphamide, prednisolone. And lastly जो other options होते हैं ना उसके अंदर we give antimalarials, particularly hydroxychloroquine. We give topical agents like dapsone, topical tacrolimus, and we also give topical retinoids. So this was a pretty easy station. Nothing that is not mentioned in the books. Everything is mentioned in the books. बहुत easy station था. So this was about oral lichen planus.